Good day, everyone. I'm Ola May, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here and you want to see more content like this and you like my videos, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're made aware each time I upload a video. This is what it turned out to be is part 2 of my unboxing from the Dooney Bourke, the fireworks sale that went on around the 4th of July. And these came out in part 1 where I showed my drawstring bag there. And these are the triple zip wristlets in multiple colors. I have the first one I have in this is in the color tomato, which I used in, which video was that? My drawstring bag, the chevron multicolored drawstring bag. It's a tomato colored triple zip wallet wristlet that I used there. And I really like it. It holds a lot. So I'm going to show each color. Each interior is going to be the same. So it does have the registration card and a slip pocket here in the back. And then a slip pocket on this side as well. The inside, it's a good depth to it. It's not really a wide wristlet, but it's a good depth to it. So, hard to kind of, I don't have my tape measure to measure, but if I remember, I'll put the dimensions in the comment section or description section. But what I like about it is that each zipper goes all the way down to the bottom. So you have one zipper here in addition to the main one. So this is the second one. And then this is the third one that goes to the bottom, which makes it a triple zip. So, and I usually put like, if I want to put like lip gloss, a lipstick in one, mascara, eyeliner in the other, and then whatever else I want to put in here, I can do that. And it'll all be divided, but still in the same wristlet, and it won't be too bulky. But like I said, it definitely holds a lot. So this can be used to help organize your purse itself or use it alone. And this is the strap to match. I'm not going to wrap all of them until I use them, but the strap does match. Well, I'll unwrap this one at least. It does match the exterior. That's one thing that I do like about the Saffiano, is that it's a solid color. Most Saffiano silhouettes, the leather is all one color. It's versus a two-tone with like a brown trim or something like that. So this is the strap to match. And this color is called amber. I don't think they put it here on the tag unless that's the code for it. But this color is called amber, which is a very pretty brown color. I would say compared to the Florentine, I would probably say this is more closer to the chestnut color in the Florentine leather, if that helps give you an idea if it's not coming across as well on video. So that's the first color. And this one, that's a Pebble Grain. I have two more in Saffiano. This one is a very pretty bright yellow. And I thought it was the color Dandelion, but the description, I'm sure I'm going to mispronounce it. It begins with an F. They did not put it here for, let me see. I don't want to look it up. I think it's for Cynthia. Forgive me for mispronouncing it because I'm not looking at the spelling of it now. I was trying to go off of photographic memory, which isn't quite clicking in at the moment, but it looks like, to me, it looks like Dandelion. I'm actually going to put it together with my Dandelion Saffiano Barlow to see if they're the same color or not. So let me do that here now. And then that'll kind of help give me an idea of why the colors have different names. I kind of can see the difference already, but it may be the lighting, so let me see. Okay. So this is Dandelion. They are pretty darn close. I think I could get away with putting that together. And let me look up the color, because I'm not going to be able to stop thinking about that during the video. So let me get the color of this wristlet, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I found it. It's Forsythia is the name of the color, and I actually Googled it. So Forsythia is a flowering plant. I learned something new today. But this is it. I hope you all can see that and see the spelling of it there as well. But it's still there. So anyway, now we know that Forsythia and Dandelion in the Saffiano are almost identical. I think this has a little bit more, a slightly brighter, a little bit more sheen to it as well. But in all, I don't think anybody would be able to tell the difference in the two colors. I think they're pretty darn close. So that's what definitely encouraged me to get this color wristlet in the Saffiano, and I'm going to do a comparison to the Pebble Grain as well, so you all can see what I mean by the solid color versus the two-tone that comes in the other leathers in the triple dip. So this particular one, to me, is kind of close to the tomato one I have, but not as close. This is definitely more in the pink family. And this color is bubblegum. So this triple zip is in the color bubblegum, which I don't know how it's coming up on video, but it's not quite a hot pink. It's literally like a bubblegum color. I would say a cross between maybe like a dark rose and a lighter fuchsia color, if that makes sense. So it's not quite hot pink, but it's definitely a pretty shade of pink. That can definitely be paired with a lot of purses that have this. Let me see if it matches my drawstring. I think it could go with it, even though the drawstring has a lighter pink in the plumes. This is the Black Plumes drawstring bag. I think that could still go with that. And even the yellow could also. Either one of them could. So like I said, it can definitely be paired with different patterns and colors. So that's bubblegum. And then we have Pebble Grain. So I'm going to do it side by side. This is the color black. And with the black, it does have the brown trim. Of course, the black is all completely black. But with the black itself, it has the brown trim even around the Dooney Bourke logo plate and the brown zippers as well. And this, with it being the Pebble Grain leather, as you see the texture there, and it does have the lighter stitching across as well. The back of it, fully solid pebble. The front feels a little bit softer and smoother than the back. The back, it definitely feels more pebbled. But these wristlets, y'all, I'll definitely be taking care of them, and they should definitely hold up in the years to come. So that's the triple zip in the color black and the pebble grain leather. And this color is, I think it's white or off-white. Let's see. Or is it bone? It's white. So this is the white in the triple zip. I just have papers and plastic everywhere. Okay. So the same with it being in the pebble grain leather. It feels smoother here on the front, and in the back it has more of a pebble feel to the leather, just like the black one. And with the brown leather trim around the zippers, and the strap on both of these is brown as well. Brown straps. And just to do a side-by-side with the pebble grain compared to the Saffiano, as I said, the Saffiano is solid. There's no different color trim or zipper. Everything is the same color, even the leather around the Dooney Bourke plate. But compared to the pebble grain, you will get the brown trim. I believe each color they had in pebble grain, it had the brown trim, unless it came in black. So those are the differences, y'all. This is part 2 of my fireworks haul. The haul from the fireworks sale that was on the ILD site. So let me know if you all were able to pick up some accessories or bags or anything from that sale. It was pretty good. So I'm glad I was able to catch something before it ended. I wasn't too sure about what I was wanting to get. I did know that I wanted to add some accessories to my collection, and I felt like I could not go wrong with these colors. So thank you so much for watching, y'all. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for subscribing, commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. I really appreciate it. I will see you all in the next video, and as always, have a wonderful day.